Hello. So today we're here to demonstrate another example of Preferred Utilities line of plug-and-play flame safeguard technology. So here we have a Honeywell RA890 flame safeguard. Preferred offers the QuantaFlame 5004 890 flame safeguard, which is a direct replacement for the vast majority of Honeywell RA890 flame safeguards. So before we begin with the flame safeguard replacement, you want to be sure your burner is shut off, power to the cabinet and your system is off and locked or tagged out, and shut your fuel valve. With the cover removed, we now have access to the 10 mounting screws which secure the RA890 into the wiring base. And we need to remove those screws. With the screws removed, we're now able to lift the Honeywell RA890 out of its wiring base. Before we do, take note of the 9-digit part number. We will need all of that information in order to properly set up the dip switch settings on the QuantaFlame 5004 890. All of that which is referenced in Preferred's Quick Start Guide. With the right side terminal cover removed, you now have access to the set of 8 dip switches. The first 4 are utilized for setting your pilot trough for ignition time, recycle or non-recycle mode, or continuous or intermittent pilot, and the last 4 are utilized for setting your purge time. Consult the Preferred Utilities Quick Start Guide for the proper dip switch settings. If you're replacing a Honeywell RA890G version flame safeguard, dip switch 4 on the QuantaFlame 5004 890 should be up or in the on position. This provides you with an intermittent or interrupted pilot. If you're replacing a model RA890F, look for the pilot link jumper. If the pilot link jumper is intact, dip switch 4 again on the QuantaFlame 5004 890 should be in the up position. If the pilot link jumper is not intact, dip switch 4 should be in the down or off position. With the right side terminal cover removed, you now have access to jumper number 2, which selects between a UV sensor or a flame rod. If you're replacing a RA890F series, you're going to be using a flame rod, so J2 should be in the FR for flame rod position. If you're replacing an R890G, you want your jumper in the UV position. With the RA890 removed and your QuantaFlame 5004 890 set up, it's now time to install it into the existing wiring subbase. It mounts in the same way as the RA890, and you proceed to then screw down the 10 mounting screws. With your QuantaFlame 5004 890 installed, it is ready to now be powered up. After power up, you want to go through a couple basic safety checks, which can vary from burner to burner. Consult the Preferred Utilities Quick Start Guide for a walkthrough of these safety checks. With every new QuantaFlame 5004 890 flame safeguard, there should come a Preferred Utilities Quick Start Guide in the box. If you do not have the Quick Start Guide, consult preferred-mfg.com to obtain both the Quick Start Guide and the full manual. If you have any questions about the QuantaFlame 5004 890 or any other of Preferred's direct replacement flame safeguards, you can call 203-743-6741 and ask for QuantaFlame Flame Safeguard Tech Support.